Hello to all. Today we are going to explore a web-based tool to delineate the watershed. Generally, to delineate a watershed, we should have a digital elevation model, we should have a GIS software, then we can delineate our watershed with some standard procedure. But with this tool and with just a fraction of a second, you can delineate and download the drainage boundary as well as the watershed boundary. So we will go to our application. We have to go type watershed-app.herokuapp.com. The link is in the description of this video also. It will take some few seconds to minutes to open. After that, the whole procedure to delineate the watershed is written over here. First of all, we will select the drainage threshold. Here the drainage threshold is there. Second, we have to click show drainage. After this, you can see the drainage line in the red color of throughout the world. Then the next step is to choose the outlet point using a draw marker on the left panel of map. So suppose you zoom to the area for which you want to delineate the watershed. Okay, this is my outlet, and over this outlet we should have place of marker, and this is the sign of draw marker. We just click on that. We'll just click over this red line and we will click on create watershed. So now it is delineating, and we should wait for 30 to 50 seconds. And now the boundary has been delineated. The area of this boundary is approximately 62,692 kilometers square, and this is the link to download the KML file. So before downloading, we can access that yes, this is your drainage, the watershed boundary. If suppose you want to delineate a watershed on a small drainage, for example, I know that this is a very small drainage is passing over here. So what we can do, we can just increase the drain threshold and click on show drainage, and let's see that a red line is coming over here or not. If not, then we will increase some more threshold. Okay, sorry. First of all, we need to decrease the threshold. Then we can click. So now you can see that a small drainage is also coming. You can reduce some more also. So if I want to delineate the watershed over here, what I will do, just click on the place the marker. Place my marker over here and click create watershed. Now I can see that a small watershed boundary has been delineated with the area of 422 kilometers square. We can download the basin with this KML link. Just click over this. Our basin boundary.kml will be downloaded into the KML format. And if you want to download the drainage, we can select the drainage threshold 2 and click on show drainage network. We can see that there is no drainage has been developed. So in this case, we are going to increase the order, and let's just see. By putting 8, yes, we are getting the drainage order. If you're satisfied with the drainage order, you can increase or decrease by little bit also. And now we have seen that 3 link is there. The first link was the watershed boundary. The second link is the drainage network of 6 threshold. The next is the latest one that we have click on that means drainage threshold 8. So we'll just click over it. And now both our file has been downloaded, and we can recheck this boundary by opening in the Google Map also. So we can see now that our catchment boundary has been there, and not only the catchment boundary, but we can see our drainage boundary also. We can change the transparency of this catchment boundary. Now you can see this, our catchment boundary is there with the drainage boundary. You can also search for the place marker either by zooming into the Google map or just by clicking over here. You can search. For example, I want to prepare the drainage map of or my location, station location in some place like Delhi. You can search it and your map will automatically zoom to that area. Or you can search with a latitude and longitude. For example, my place is at 23.5 degree latitude and 78.9 degree longitude. I'll just hit enter. Now my place mark will be over there, and after that you can click over this place or draw a marker and place over your area of interest and delineate your watershed. So please remember that this is just a app to delineate the watershed more than 200 square kilometer. That means the precision of the watershed that has been delimited is quite low, but for a bigger watershed it will work very fine. The source of this data set is WWF Hydroshed data, and it has been extracted through Google Earth Engine using GEMAP library and Earth Engine library in Python. So that's it. Thank you.